Alan! Josie, be careful, you're going to get run over, love.
Come on, with a happy rain. Just sing along to me.
Okay.
Just look at the water.
Huh?
Look at the rain.
Sorry, people of Cardiff. We come and do it.
I can't get from laughing.
You did that in the big Welsh fight in the car?
Yeah.
Outside.
My dad's party thing was just proper drunk. He has the broom, a broom, and then he starts singing, I want to break free.
I want to break free.
He's so funny. He goes,
I want to break free.
Nah, someone's got straight now. I was going to bring a hairspray, but then he didn't.
My hair's getting red, that's why I got this on my head.
Oh, somebody might have to do now.
And mine.
I'm wearing his shoes tonight now. Yeah, you won't come back. I didn't want to wear them.
Oh,
yeah, that's so.
I'm smiling.
What's wrong with that? I don't know why you're hairspray.